Hello, Lee Hustle here from Fine & Country. I've got a cracking property to show you today. Welcome to Peggies. So we're now sat out on this fantastic terrace here and look at that gorgeous view in behind us. And I'm sat with the owner of many decades, Roger Gruss. Hello Roger, good to see you.
Really?
It'd be really great to hear from you. You know this property better than anybody else. Just tell us what it's like to live at Peggies.
I've lived here for 40 years and it's a house that fits the area really well. It was built on the basis of a Devon longhouse and used natural materials locally sourced. It's got Delabold slates on the roof, which come from just down the coast in Cornwall.
Yep.
And it's got natural render, which shows the seashells, and it's got elm boarding, weather boarding on the outside, which is now almost impossible to get.
The other thing that strikes me here, Roger, is the versatility of the accommodation that you offer here. A lot of people live and work from home now, and I guess Peggies is set up perfectly for that option.
It is, because it's got a large studio at the top of the garden, which we converted to an office some years ago. So both my wife and I have worked from home for many years now.
So Roger, sum up Peggies in 3 words for me.
I think surrounding natural beauty.
Perfect. So the ground floor accommodation comprises a lovely characterful lounge with sea views. There's a separate dining room, there's a breakfast room which leads through into the kitchen, and then there's a lovely UPVC double glazed conservatory with superb views over the garden and down the valley towards the sea and across to Lundy Island. So up on the first floor we've got 4 bedrooms, all of which have sea views, and there's also a family bathroom. On the ground floor there's a separate area of accommodation which could easily be utilised as an annex for an elderly or a dependent relative. There's a small kitchenette, there's a bedroom with its own ensuite shower room and separate access, which could mean it could also be used as a Airbnb style holiday let property. So there we are, that's Peggies in Woolacombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, it's a fantastic and very versatile family home set in beautiful grounds and surroundings, and of course don't forget those fabulous views down the valley towards the sea and the coastline. Now, to book your viewing on this property, and I'm sure you're going to want to come and see this one, please do call us. It's 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.